gonna quickly review this Home Depot rental, the Barreto 712MT. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to use this thing and how it operates. It turned out to be very easy to use, very user-friendly. It can be physically demanding when you're trying to turn it and trying to get it in and out of trenches, which I'll show you in a minute. There's a switch right on the top, on, and then there's a switch over here on the side, and it's just like a lawnmower. You pull the little thingamabobber. The throttle's on the top. So when you start to trench, you want to put this all the way over. Once you have it started, you'll have the wheel drive. It goes forward, and when it's on forward, it moves pretty fast. When it's on reverse, and that's when you trench, you're trenching going backwards, it moves very slow. And the wheel drive is right here. And then on the left side, you have the trench chain, and you just squeeze it to move the chain, and the chain only operates when it's in reverse. Forward and go. So the hardest part of operating this is handling the trench depth. It's a little bit heavy. You have to push down on the back while you lift up on the trench bar like this. You kind of have to push down, pull out, and then pick your depth. The kind of difficult part is turning it. You either have to really manhandle it, or if you look on each tire, there is a axle lock. So when you pull this out and you turn it, that's disengaging the tire to the motor. So this tire will not turn, but the other one will, which will help you turn it. When you rent it at Home Depot, it comes with the gasoline filled up. I think it's 2.5 gallons, and it lasted quite a bit. I was able to get this entire trench from that fence line all the way to where I'm putting my irrigation box, and that entire trench that goes to the fence over there. And then there's another trench, that trench right here going to our future garden spot. Yep, I broke the line. You see that? Man. Okay, I guess I know what I'm doing today. Maybe I can put mud back in there. There was mud in there in the first place. There. At least that disguises the issue. You know, I can't hear it. If I can't hear it, I can't see it, then there's nothing there. And then this one I also hit. I did not expect there to be another line in this trench. So just be careful, you guys. You might hit some lines that you don't know exist on your property. I guess this is a much sturdier pipe. I hit it and you can see the indentations in the pipe. Look at that with the trencher. It was kind of, the trencher was bouncing off of it, so I stopped it real quick and checked. Sure enough, I'm hitting a pipe. Good enough to me. And then you want to remember to fill it up before you turn it in. All right guys, I'm taking this thing back to Home Depot. It's all clean. I refilled the gas for how much work I did. Making that one minor mistake, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm very happy with it. We still got water, it's just a minor leak. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Catch you later. There we go, all fixed. And then this one is also fixed with a threaded cap so I can come back, put in my water line for my house.